This is our standard walking spot at Golden Ponds. This is pretty bad. You can hear the rushing. I don't know if I want to get any closer. This is pretty bad. Wow. Holy cow.
Walking out on that
I know, I don't think it's a good idea. I mean, I can go in a heartbeat. Oh, like you have a moment to step aside. It's gonna be choom. Wow.
Everything's piling up. See the back?
Yeah, you guys, I really think you should get off of the bridge. I really do. There's trees going down over here, you guys. There's trees going down. Okay, I'm backing up. I really don't think it's a good idea. There's trees. Oh, all right, I'm not your mother. That's how people get killed. That is just pure, that's stupid right there. That's a special brand of stupid.
Now that it's on the news to stay off the bike path, here's a guy on